Hello friends, my name is Pooja. Most of us, we are connected through On Passive family. We all know that I'm in Hyderabad office. I'm really very excited, and especially after yesterday's webinar session and seeing office and things, I'm really very excited. I had time today, so I thought let me utilize this time to show you all the place where we stayed, and also the office location from outside. Since we are not we had only one day permission, so I'll be showing from outside, even the bus stop and On Passive bus stop, because now what I'm feeling is not unmatchable or uncontrollable feelings to me. So I guess I want you all to enjoy this journey with me, because I know even lots of people are excited to know where we resided and how far it was from office and how the location is and things. I really must say the location is very awesome, and since it's the center of Hyderabad location, the main location of Hyderabad, the interiors and even the office and everything is built so in a very well mannered. So I want you all to enjoy this. I'll be traveling from my room, the hotel room we stayed, to the office. I will be starting from the balcony of the room we stayed. Hope you all will like this, guys. This is the balcony of the hotel that we stayed, and if you see, you can see all high-end buildings, all the corporates, corporate office, and this is really awesome, my friends. And coming to the room, think of this room like we have been allocated every person a single room. Hardly it is like most of the corporates mix up like one room for girls or one room for boys, but here if you see, it is like we have all got the separate rooms, and it is not a normal room, it is a luxurious room. You can see the interior part and everything, my friends. I'll be now taking your I hope you're feeling this. You can know my excitement, why I'm excited, what it is, why people get excited, what are the reasons that you can trust On Passive, why it is felt in this way. Okay, and now let me move to the place. I'll be showing you the hotel exterior as well as even our office road. The hotel room is so well mannered, and there is like so beautifully there is no words for this hospitality what we have got here in this day. If you see this, this is a 5-star hotel we were resided. We had been treated like we are the kings and queens, really. and I'm really very happy being here. I'll be taking you to the On Passive office so that you can feel it. You can feel it because I know, like, we take videos, we make videos like from outside, and most of them are confused. Is it edited and things? So I wanted to be live to show you all. This is not edited, so I'm live and I'm showing you the place. You can feel this. This is 12-floor hotel, and everyone was resided in a single room of like there was a separate room for every people we visited, and there is a swimming pool, there is a garden area, there is a cafeteria, and it is 12 floors, my friend. It's 12 floors hotel that we were resided with. I'm now waiting for the staircase to come across. Once staircase comes across, I'll take you down. I'll walk through to the office. Hope you will enjoy and feel this along with me. I want you all to feel this. And it is really excited. It's really excited me. It's something like I have no words. I have tears in my eyes. And I feel like it's a long time that I have been treated. I have been treated like this from any of the organization, my friends. I'm sure. I'm so sorry I got on the wrong floor. See, this is the entrance of the hotel, my friends. This is the entrance of the hotel that we decided. This is the cafeteria of the hotel. If you see the interior and things, it is very clean, and it is like a happening moment where we decided. And I'll walk you through. Now I'm going to an exit point. I'll walk you through the office road so that you can feel this, my friends. If you see this, my friends, this is really awesome place. Very spacious, very clean. This is the entrance of the hotel, my friends. This is the parking lot. See this, my friends, see this. This is the entrance, and if you see the building, it is 12 floors, as I said, and the name of the hotel is Avasa. We were made to stay here, and we really had a lots of precious time here. And now I'll be taking you to the On Passive office, my friends. I hope you will enjoy this journey with me. I want you all to enjoy. This journey. I have come to the main road. Of the location. You see a Pace hospital out there. Is a hospital. Then next to it is one more building which has Mangatari High-Tech City in it. And then here comes our on-passive office, my friends. If you see this, my friends, this is our office. I was really excited being inside. I was really excited to feel it from inside. But because of permission, I could not. I was late yesterday during the event. I was not present. So I wanted to feel it more. So I got a chance today to at least go live, at least so that I can show you all the office, to at least to feel it. My friends, this is our office of on-passive. And I can see it's 2 bus stops of on-passive built here with the complete on-passive promotion on it. There is no other banners in it. And also it has Asher's name mentioned in it, as well as the website, and everything is in place. Hope you all like this, you watch this, and I will get back to you with more details, with short videos very early. Once I reach home, I'll be parting some more informations. Also, we'll be coming up with all the details, all your questions and answers. And this is a super excitement to me. Hope you all like this, my friends. Bye bye. Take care.